Of course, the data is there, and as a county, for the last almost 5 years, we've had over 12,000 teenage pregnancies. Of course, we are seeing a downward trend. In 2018, we had over 22,000 pregnancies. But last year, 2023, we had slightly above 12,000 pregnancies among our teenage girls. So our intention is we want to adhere to the government's directive of 100% transition from primary school to secondary school, then hopefully to the next level. So our intention is to ensure that 100% of the girls who dropped out of school for one reason or another are taken back into the education system.
There's what is called re-entry policy, whereby every girl child who has become pregnant is allowed to come back to school and continue with his or her with higher education undisturbed. Ours is to ask our parents, or guardians and stakeholders that let our girl child who have had problems with pregnancies be brought back to school and finished.
I